Kwa majina ni Eric Ongeri, waziri wa vijana kaunti ya Kisii. Nami ningechukua hii fursa kuweza kuwashukuru wale wanafunzi ambao wamefuzu siku ya leo na ambao watakuwa wanapewa taji. Vile vile ningependa kushukuru wale wageni wetu ambao wametusaidia kwa mambo mbalimbali katika maandalizi ya siku ya leo. Nikimalizia, ningependa kuwatakia kila laheri mnapomaliza, na isiishie hapa, tuhakikishe kwamba tunaendeleza haya masomo.
Already hapa mvile mko hapa, kuna wale wana benefit from a program ya KYOP, Kenya Youth Employment Opportunity Project. Hiyo ni program yetu. Okay? Na tena tunaenda kwa sasa phase 2. Inaitwa National Youth Towards Advancement. It is a grant. Most of Ismail is one of the beneficiaries. Wale wa kwanza, because my purpose is that we empower you people, you get money for business, right? Watu wengi wanapata wako na skills ya business lakini hawana pesa. The first process, you apply, and you apply online. I've requested Ismail, who is the center manager, all of you are like a platform, social media and WhatsApp, so that when the program comes, we announce. When you apply, then we go to a process called suitability. It means we are going to remove all those people that do not fit into the program. Then who fits into the program? But yeah, I will fit into the program, but between 18 to 35. Then also you must be having an interest of doing business. And then we are targeting those who don't have capital to start. KISII is a partnership between the national government and the World Bank, right? Is not alone, but tunaangalia ile biashara umefanya, we release a part of the money, then the second we release, then you get the money.
We are here today to witness the graduation of our youth who have undergone training at Ajiry Center in KISII. This is our program M, opening avenues for employment of our youth. As you are aware, the youth constitutes over 20% of the population, and this poses a challenge with regard to the training and employment opportunity. This calls for the need for us to think outside the box, to enable the youths access the means to eke out a living. And it's for this reason that I launched the KISII Ajiry here at the KISII Stadium. In the dynamics environment where digital technology advancement has literally turned the world into a global village, it is important that we train our youths to embrace the uptake of new technology so as to acquire skills to enable them cut a niche in the global job market. This is why my administration has joined hands with Ajiry to establish this job center here at the KISII Stadium to help equip the youths with online skills to enable them get job connections. Ajiry is a progressive web application, PWA, designed to provide a platform for entrepreneurship, youth to connect and network effortless connectivity and free from the control of a third-party agent with employees. This program allows youth to cast a wider net in their search for jobs opportunity. Ajiry focus on connecting employer to their desired workforce. This cuts across both the blue-collar and white-collar sectors. Young people, there's an opportunity here. We don't have land. In KISII, we don't have anything. We don't have gold to mine. The only gold we have is this one of technology, which we must get into it. No secret that youth and women are the backbone of our society. However, for too long, They have been marginalized and overlooked, and it is time for us to change that narrative. To this end, the Ajiry Job Center is a step in the right direction by providing a platform for young men and women to showcase their skills, talents, and expertise. We must work together to ensure that our youths and women have access to the resources they need to succeed. Ajiry is purely a youth program aimed at connect youths with jobs, equip youths with online skills, equip youths with computer skills through ICT and IC3, train youth on financial management skills, train youths on digital marketing, uplift mental health among the youths, give youths an environment to explore their talents through studio recording of songs, instill anti-cybercrime time awareness, connect youth with global online world. And I advise you, put the skills you have acquired into practice to earn a living. Let us also appeal for more of our youths to enroll in a free training program. Nitatafuta fedha zangu na kubaliana kwamba mawaziri wangu wako hapa, chief officers wako hapa, na MCAs nitaongea na wao, nitaweka katika supplementary tuone this kind of centers they have been opened in the 9 sub-counties. Well, I want to promise that I'm going to open other 9 centers of this kind, ndiposa vijana wetu wajifundishe. Ajiry program hoye! Hoye! Rusha tu juu alafu ishike. Haya, tuketi tafadhali. Asante.